to school today.
Let's not go. You can do that?
Sure.
Hey, Dad.
Yes?
We really don't want to go to school today.
Why? Are you sick?
Nah, we're just not up for it.
Yeah, school is boring.
But you have to go to school. You're kids. It's what you do. Oh, mailman.
I wish we were grown-ups like Dad. Then we'd never have to go to school, and nobody would tell us what to do. We could drive trucks, stay up all night, vote. Vote.
Finally.
What's that?
Why? According to the Fifth Amendment, I don't have to answer that without my lawyer present.
Right. Anyway, about school.
Oh, yeah. You're kids. So you do what Mom tells me to tell you to do.
Oh, being a kid is wretched, Wayne.
You should be happy to be young. Before you know it, you'll be overweight, unattractive, balding, middle-aged. Take over breakfast. I don't want you to see me like this.
What's his problem?
You never know with that guy. Come on, let's have breakfast. Man, what a pile of beans.
Dude, watch your language. You'll get us in trouble.
Well, I'm sorry, Darwin, but it is. It's a big, steaming pile of beans.
Grandpa, look. A shooting star.
This is our chance. Make a wish. I wish I was a grown-up.
Me too.
Nah, that didn't work at all.
Baker!
Oh, darn kids, what do y'all think you're doing? Today's lesson will be about the transformations of the human body. As you get older, hormones begin to change your appearance.
Here. The key is an adult talking to my secretary over the intercom.
It's me voting.
Awesome.
Passing notes, are we?
No, Miss Simeon.
Well, what's this?
That's us as adults.
I guess you're on topic now. Anyway, pimples and abscesses, you may continue. Pimples can pop up in that head.
Dude, what's that on your face? That.
What?
It looks like a greasy yellow egg. No, actually, it's more like a small volcano with a sweaty golf ball.
Do something! Do something!
Okay, hold on. Let me just... I think we're gonna need more little hats.
Relax, dude. It's easy for you to say. Why don't you have any?
Just lucky, I guess. I think that's all of them. What's happening to us?
I think we've got the plague.
Do you have any other symptoms?
My top lip feels a little silky.
Next comes the appearance of hair on the body and face.